Hello and welcome. This is video presentation on the land law in general and Maharashtra Land Revenue Code in particular. The presentation given by myself, Patil Pandurang Shesharao, student of Sri Shivaji Law College, Parbhani. Said presentation is submitted to Dr. Kashinath Niharkar, Assistant Professor, Sri Shivaji Law College, Parbhani. This is a particular case relating to Land Revenue Code. Title of the case is Mr. Ramesh Shantilal Modi and others versus State of Maharashtra through Revenue Secretary. The present case is originated in the High Court of Bombay. The present case is originated by way of Article 227 of Indian Constitution. In this case, Section 149 and 150 of the Maharashtra Land Revenue Code 1966 is challenged. The Assistant Commissioner has exceeded his power beyond the powers under the Section 149 and 150 of the Maharashtra Land Revenue Code. Under the Section 149 of the Maharashtra Land Revenue Code 1966, a procedure prescribed for the reporting the acquisition right of any person acquiring by the succession, survivorship, inheritance, partition, purchase, mortgage, gift, lease or otherwise in any part of the state of Maharashtra, which shall be reported orally or in writing about his acquisition of such right to the Talati within the 3 months from the date of such acquisition. Under the Section 150 of Maharashtra Land Revenue Code 1966, read with the rules provided under this Act, a procedure to be followed by the Talati for recording revenue entries in the Register of Mutation. The observation made by the Revenue Authority that the conclusion drawn by the Revenue Authority that two power of attorney in favor of the petitioner were without consideration or the same did not disclose any acknowledgement of any consideration and thus were not power of attorney coupled with the interest is ex facie beyond the jurisdiction of the Revenue Authority vested in Section 149 and 150 of the Maharashtra Land Revenue Code. Court held that the validity of the development agreement and the two power of attorney as well as the convenience deed which were all registered cannot go into the by Revenue Authority in the proceeding under Section 149 read with one Section 150 of Maharashtra Land Revenue Code 1966. The Revenue Authority has now power to adjudicate upon the title in respect of the property in respect of which an application for the reporting the right under Section 149 of the Maharashtra Land Revenue Code 1960 is made by the applicant. Thank you.